Hey guys, Jeremy Cheney here. Just want to show you guys this new 2021 Quad Cab Ram Laramie Night Edition. Just came in. This was a special order for a real good friend of mine. He special ordered this. It's got the height adjustable suspension on it. It's got the special towing package that just got announced to help you back your trailer in, and a few other things. And just a really sharp looking truck. I'm a little jealous. I'd actually like to buy this. I might actually buy it from him. Anyway, so spray and bed liner. It's got the tow package, as you see, dual exhaust. Everything's pretty much blacked out. There's not really much I can say that won't kind of speak for itself here. It's a really nice looking car. These tow mirrors are now power folding on the 2021 models, and then you got power running boards that come out. And then as I look here, beautiful interior. That's one of the things that Chrysler's really doing a lights out job on right now. So getting in the car, I can tell it's got the height adjustable suspension. It says we're in the normal mode right now. A little low on gas, but we'll fix that here in a second. It has lane detection system. Car can park itself here too. Heated and cool seats. And then here's our trailer steering mechanism that's brand new for this year. New switch bank, trailer brake controller. This one's got a special charger for our cell phones that's wireless. Alpine sound. Just a sweet car. Just want to do a real quick video on it. We also have our adaptive cruise control here. 360 camera. So what's that mean? When we put this car in reverse, it's going to give us what's around us. It's going to give us what's behind us. Very cool. Very cool. I'll show you the back seat. Quad cab's a little bit smaller of a back seat, so let's pop this open. So a little bit smaller back seat, but you pick up a 6'4" bed instead. So you picked up this larger bed. And these wheels, when you get into a Laramie and you got the Night Edition, they get bumped up to 22-inch wheels too. So really sweet car. Congratulations to this guy who just got it, man. I hope you enjoy it. Guys, thanks for watching the video.